If you can't observe your AI agents, you don't own them. This is AgentOps Cockpit, real observability and an auto-triage copilot for AI agents, running against a real, self-hosted Signos backend. AI agents chain LLM calls, tool calls, and vector database lookups, and make decisions on their own. But when latency spikes, cost explodes, or an agent fails in production, you are flying blind. You cannot debug what you cannot see. Everything here is real. The agent calls a real large language model, Llama 3.2 running on Llama, with real web search against Wikipedia and real vector retrieval using embeddings. Every step is instrumented as an open telemetry span and exported to a real, self-hosted Signos, no mocks, and no API keys. Every agent run is a single trace. The root span wraps the real LLM calls and the tool and retrieval spans, each tagged with Gen AI cost attributes computed from the model's real token counts. Spans go to Signos over OTLP and to a local ledger, so the triage copilot works on the exact same data. Let's prove it. The test suite, 11 tests, including a real integration test that actually calls the Llama model, all green. Now I run the agent against the real Signos backend. Signos reachable, true. It calls the real Llama 3.2 model, searches Wikipedia Live, and retrieves from a real embedding store. 2 runs fail on purpose, a missing model and a missing embedding model, genuine errors, not simulated ones. The telemetry really is in Signos. Querying Signos's ClickHouse store directly shows the LLM spans, the agent runs, and the tool spans, each with the real model name, real cost, and real token counts. Thousands of output tokens actually generated by the model, all queryable in Signos. This is what makes it a cockpit. The triage copilot scans the real telemetry, raises fleet alerts, and for each incident gives the root cause and a suggested fix, a missing embedding model, an LLM outage, each with a concrete remediation. In production this runs on the Signos MCP server. And it's all in one cockpit, runs, error rate, real spend, and page 95 latency up top, token cost by model and by user, fleet alerts, and the full triage feed, each incident deep linking to its trace in Signos. To run it yourself, bring up Signos with Foundry, start Llama and pull the Llama model, then one command runs the whole thing. The only requirements are a running Signos and Llama, and there are still no API keys. AgentOps Cockpit leans on a real Signos end-to-end, traces, metrics, cost, alerts, and MCP, turning an AI agent black box into total visibility. Real LLM, real telemetry, real triage, open source, open telemetry native, zero lock-in. Thanks for watching.